Hi Chris, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2004 Porsche 911. It currently has 89,722 kilometers on it. The current asking price is $34,888 plus HST and licensing. Here is the VIN of the car for your insurance purposes. As you can see, it's a black leather interior with a black outside. Comes fully detailed, fully certified, and is very clean. 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back. It is convertible, so it has the button for the convertible on it. As you can see, the AC works, the heat works, very clean on the inside. The seats are in great condition. The car itself is in great condition, drives nice, easy to handle. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors, you're more than welcome to take a test drive. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day, Chris.